Hello and welcome to Codezlux. To proceed with our web development journey, we will discuss some HTML elements in this video tutorial. An HTML element is a type of component, one of several types of HTML nodes. To discuss the elements in details, we will first discuss lists. So HTML lists are used to present a list of information in a well-formed and semantic way. They are associated with each other and easy to read. We will discuss two different types of lists, which is an unordered list and ordered list. Let's take a deep look at both of them. So first we will discuss an unordered list. An ordered list is used to group a set of related items in no particular order. An unordered list is a collection of related items that have no special order or sequence. This list is created by using a UL tag. Each item in the list is marked with a bullet. Next there is an ordered list, which is used to group a set of related items in a specific order. If you are required to put your items in a numbered list instead of bulleted, then ordered list will be used. This list is created by using the OL tag. The numbering starts at 1 and is incremented by 1 for each successive ordered list element tagged with LI. Then comes the most important tag used in markup language, which is the anchor tag. The A tag defines a hyperlink, which is used to link from one page to another. The most important attribute of the A element is the ref attribute, which indicates the link's destination. Then after that we will discuss table tag. An HTML table consists of the table element and one or more tr, th and td elements. The tr element defines a table row, the th element defines a table header, and the td element defines a table cell. Now we will discuss attributes of table tag. So first comes the caption tag, which is used to define a table caption. Then comes the border property, which specifies the border of the table. Then after that, the cell padding, which adds padding to the cell. A line property to align the table. And cell spacing adds space between cells. With cal span attribute we make a cell span many columns. But with row span attribute we make a cell span many rows. So that our slides section. Let's jump into the code section. So here we will first open a code editor named Align Text Editor. Then we will open our specified folder where we want to add our project. Then open a new file and save it as an index with HTML extension. We can also start our coding by just type HT and then press Ctrl+ space button. So you will get the ready-made structure page. Remember, this can be only done in this code editor. So after that, give a specific title of your own choice. Then come to the body section where we will write our code. First write h3 tag to display a text. Then after that let's create an unordered list by typing the UL tag, and in that we will type the LI tag to enter the elements of the list. After that we will create an OL list. So just write the OL tag, and within those tags we will write LI tag to specify the table elements. Then after that we will create a hyperlink with the anchor tag. So that the example of A tag. Then after that we will create a table that will tell you the student's record information. We will make heading through T-head. And then comes the body tag, where we will write some code entitled All the Body Persons in Our Web Development. Now write some attributes of tables. Add the border property to enclose the table within a border. We will also give paddings within the cell through cell padding. Then also remove space between cells by giving the value 0. Then we will align our website to the center. After that we will add a caption to define the table. So that all about today's lecture. If you got any type of questions, then please let us know. We will be there for you at any time. Thanks be with us. We will be right back soon.